This is proof that you can actually do the Miracle Knots hair by yourself at home, save time while at it, and reuse the extension as many times as you want. So if that sounds like something you want to see, then keep on watching. We're filming on my phone right now. We'll go back to my camera, but I just want to tell you guys what's up. So we're starting with freshly washed hair because not only do we want our hair to look beautiful, we also prioritize the health of our hair. My hair is also moisturized. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to go to the salon to go get my hair braided because I will not be braiding it by myself. Reason being that I have a particular amount of braid that I want my hair to be in, so I'm not about to pass through the mental gymnastics of counting and braiding at the same time. Now, IseeHair sent me 4 packs of the hair and each pack has 39 pieces. So if you calculate 39 by 4, that would give you 156, okay? 156 divided by 3. Now the reason I'm dividing by 3 is because I want each braid to have 3 pieces of hair, all right? We're gonna put 4 pieces in front. So if you divide 156 by 3, that would give you 52 braids. So I need to braid my hair into 52 pieces, and to achieve that, I will be going to the salon to have it done because I don't want to have to start dividing, braiding, and counting. I'm not about to do all of that. So let's go to the salon and have my hair braided. So while we're braiding our hair, let's get into the hair that we'll be using today. The hair that we'll be using today is from IseeHair. So they sent me 4 packs of their feather crochet that has been trending for a while now. I haven't seen a lot of people do different styles with this hair, like the styles are endless. So this will be my first time trying feather crochet, and I'm really excited because the styles that I have been seeing have been so cute, and I cannot wait to see how mine turns out. So the braids are done, and like I said earlier, 52 pieces were done, and it took him about 1 hour to get it done. Next is to prep the hair. I put every single strand on a braiding stand so it's easier for me to pick and braid as I go. Now, if you're wondering why the ends of the braids are unfinished, it's intentional because first thing you want to do is to finish the braid with the feather crochet and braid it down until you've run out of your hair, and then you twist just a little bit, and that's all you do. There is no need for you to tie, there is no need for you to, like burn anything. Just braid till your hair is done, twist about 3 times and just leave it. It will never unravel. Again, start braiding the ends of the hair first, and once you've exhausted your hair, then you twist for about 2 to 3 times and leave it. Now, if the hairdresser, or if while braiding your main hair you didn't leave enough, you can always loosen your actual braids a bit to give room for you to braid more with the feather crochet, just so that the tips of the hair is solid. Because something you need to have in mind when attaching the feather crochet to your actual hair is that there'll be times when you need to like pull the hair, comb the hair, and the pressure would actually be on the tips of your braids. So if you do not leave enough room to securely braid the crochet hair into the tips of your hair, it might pull out when you start to comb or pull the hair. As you can see, I'm already done installing all of the tips to the hair, and the good thing about this style is that you can actually carry your hair like this. So for those that do not want a lot of braids on their hair, you can actually pack your hair like this and your hair is done. Like, you're good to go. You can literally take this out and there will be no problem. But I just wanted to have the complete look, so what I did was, for the first row at the back, I only inserted just 1 crochet hair into the hair. So that means that the first 3 lines just had 2 crochet hairs in it, 1 at the tip and 1 on the root. I know that I explained earlier that the intention was to have 3 hairs on each braid. However, for the back, I observed that putting 1 braid on the tip and 1 on the root was okay, so there was no need to put a 3rd one. This is to save more braids for the front. For the next line, I started to insert 2 more crochet hairs, 1 slightly above the tip and the other one was on the root. At this point, as you can see, we're almost halfway gone, and I had spent maybe about 45 minutes. There's no way I would have gone this far if I was doing actual boho braids. I have tried that hairstyle before, and let me tell you guys, it took me about 2 days to finish actual boho braids. It was very, very stressful, and I do not think that I will be venturing that hairstyle ever again. That is why I'm so excited about this Miracle Knots. Honestly, it is just a game changer for people that braid their hair themselves. However, if you're going to the hairstylist, I would say that the time they spend in doing Miracle Knots equates to the same time that they spend in doing actual boho braids. So I'm just going to keep quiet so that you watch closely how I successfully crochet the hair. So 2 hours plus later, this is the complete look. This is what the hair is giving. Now, there are two things that intrigue me about this hair. Number one is how soft. I repeat, how soft. I cannot wait for people that get to try this hair from IseeHair. This is literally human hair. Two types of human hair. So there's human hair from IseeHair, very, very soft, very, very lush. And then there's my actual hair that is also human hair. So it's a complete style done with human hair. It's very soft. And the second thing is that it is so lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy at all. I love it. So to prep the hair and make sure that the curls come out really juicy, I went in with leave-in conditioner, water, mousse, and oil sheen. Those are the 4 things you need. You don't need any other thing at all. I'm working in batches so that the product really gets into the curls and the curls come out really defined. So what you want to do is to put in leave-in conditioner in the water, spray it generously on the hair till it's wet, then go in with your mousse, apply that generously as well from the roots to the tip so that the curls come out really well, and then you brush it just to make sure that there is no knot or anything. If done correctly, your curls should come out looking like this. In fact, whether you do it correctly or you don't do it correctly, as long as you wet the hair, brush it, your curls automatically will activate. Like, for extra shine, use oil sheen or use oil, and your hair will come out looking so lush, so beautiful, and you'll always receive compliments. Anyways, this is the end result after doing my makeup, and this is what I have to say. What was the transition that I did before? But this is the end result of the hair. I don't even know how to talk anymore because I've literally transformed into a new person, like into a different person. This is really, really nice. Honestly, this is so nice, guys. This is so nice. This is the end result. I don't even know what to say. Like, I really love my hair. Number one. I really love my hair. Like, I can move my hair to different sides, like it doesn't even hurt, the roots doesn't hurt because oh my god, my lipstick, I'm so sorry. Yeah. I literally, because I mean, it's just my hair. Do you get, like, it's my natural hair and then it's human hair. There is no tension on the roots, so you can literally move, twist, like pack it different styles, and there's no strain on your actual scalp. This is beautiful. Who came up with this idea? Like, who started this what's it called? Who started this miracle knots thing? I don't know, like, who came up with this idea? Because this is really brilliant. You mean you can do boho hair now without attachment. You can do boho hair now without extensions. All you just need is this hair from IseeHair, of course, and you will be transformed exactly like this. And it's just sit up a bit just so that you guys see the complete length of it. This is where it stops. This is the length of the hair. With this length, you can conveniently style it in different ways. You can do like a side part, middle part. You can also switch the side part. You can pack it into a pony, half up, half down, basically any style that you're craving. If you love this hair, if you also want to be transformed exactly like this, you need to go get the hair from IseeHair right now. Every single thing that you need, all the details will be in the description box where you can shop directly. And yeah, try it and let me know how it looks. Like, try it and let me know how your hair comes out, because I'm very, very sure that your hair would come out really nice and you would be as obsessed as I am with this hair. Okay, look at it. Just look at it. Bye, guys.